Honorable Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar, Governor Punjab and patron of UMT, and a patron not only by title but by his deeds and action and in true spirit. Dr. Mohammad Aslam, Rector UMT, Abid H.K. Shirwani, DG UMT, my very dear graduating participants, UMT faculty members and staff, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. On behalf of ILM Trust and UMT, I welcome you to the 19th convocation. Thank you very much for your participation. We have just begun to recover from the global pandemic caused by the coronavirus that has so far claimed over 1,100,000 lives. Over and above, it has caused a global economic disaster with a long-lasting impact. By the grace of Allah and with your cooperation, UMT did not waver in the face of this monstrous challenge. Our prime concern throughout this crisis was to provide uninterrupted services to our students. We deployed every resource at our disposal to minimize the impact of this pandemic on the educational process. I am very pleased to convey that without any compromise or any degradation in the quality of our instruction, we were successful in containing the potential damage. Not only that, we sought and found new opportunities in those difficult times. We relied upon our spirit of innovation. We implemented an online teaching and learning protocol. We were the first university to do that. UMT took yet another first initiative to offer interest-free loans worth tens of millions of rupees to hundreds of participants, along with concessionary internet services. Ladies and gentlemen, one may dismiss the pandemic as a transient phenomena, but for us, it was a great learning experience. I take the opportunity to convey that this episode carries a lot of inspiration for our future. We learned how not to exploit, but bravely face a daunting challenge. We learned to be resilient when our capacity came under threat. We learned never to compromise on our values. We learned to be imaginative and innovative. And above all, we learned to be caring. We found new meanings in empathy. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has a burgeoning youth population. They are motivated for a future that transforms their life. UMT is committed to help these individuals realize these cherished dreams. Today's graduating class is imbued with the lasting spirit of constant inquiry and service to the community. They carry with them the essence of ethical and moral behavior fit for responsible citizens of this country. Our youth are the architects for our future. You will build a progressive and prosperous Pakistan. So you must aim high. You must be an embodiment of Iqbal's vision. मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है सितारों पे जो डालते हैं कमंद. I say to all of you, don't settle for less. Strive for more and more. This more should be the hallmark of your whole life, not simply in your chosen profession, but in every dimension of your life. Leave a mark of distinction. Leave an imprint of perfection. Know that the world is in a constant flux. More than ever before in human history, there are visible and not so visible forces, both natural and man made, that are generating unforeseen challenges. That is where your knowledge and character are tested. That is where your leadership and your decision making capacities receive a pounding. That is where you rely upon the knowledge reservoir and value framework that UMT has bestowed upon you. As you embark upon your career, you will encounter a growing knowledge economy in a milieu of both disruptive and enabling technologies. There will be new normals, big and small, all defined by the advancing knowledge and march of technology. I recall that the father of future studies, Alvin Toffler, once said, "The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn." So get ready to adopt the trilogy of awareness, change, and adaptation. My dear young graduates, you are our most precious asset. You are infused with the vibrancy of volunteerism. That is how we live, not for ourselves, but for others. The role young people like you played during this pandemic is a splendid example of the capability of our youth. I want all of you to give a round of applause for yourselves. I exhort you to extend this volunteerism to the domain of knowledge. Out there, there is a pandemic. There is another pandemic which is bigger than the coronavirus, and that is the pandemic of illiteracy. Pakistan has one of the highest number of out-of-school children. We need to fight this menace tooth and nail. You are blessed to have found opportunities to the vistas of knowledge. UMT inculcated in you a quest for inquiry. Now is the time to pay your debt to the society by volunteering for educating the less fortunate. I ask you to emulate UMT and its founder, Dr. Hasan Murad, in fulfilling your lifelong societal responsibility. Dear graduates, the time of your life spent at UMT was just a seed for your future growth. What UMT has implanted in you is a quest for growth. I leave you with the words of Khurram Murad, one of the great Muslim minds whose exemplary life caused a transformation and continues to inspire many for a better future. He said, "A relentless quest for the future has been bestowed upon all that inspires and motivates us to leave a mark in this world, to carve a new path, to determine a new destination, and that truly is the essence of life. When you become oblivious of the future and are subsumed by the present, stuck in this world, you also lose the world hereafter. Therefore, when individuals or movements become content with their existence, then their future is destroyed. So rise up and free yourselves from the shackles of the present, from the bounds of status quo. March ahead for a change and a dynamic future. May Allah be with you always. Pakistan Zindabad.